In today's video, we're going to take you on a hike of the Sweetwater Trail in Munson, Florida. Hey there, it's Troy and Andrea. We're out here at the Bear Lake Recreation Area and we are hiking the Sweetwater Trail, headed over towards Krull Lake. And you might be wondering, if you're following our adventure sequentially, why I'm not out on my brand new bike. Well, today, which happens to be the last day of hurricane season, we're under a freeze warning the next 2 days. So I really didn't want to go out on a bicycle and add to the wind chill. So it's about 50 degrees right now. Feels like temperature is 45. So we decided to stay here in our own backyard. We're out in Munson in Santa Rosa County and hiking the trails. Just something we've been wanting to do.
So Andrea, what do you think about this part of the trail?
It's beautiful. I love it. I love this boardwalk. That was an interesting little twist all of a sudden. We were on the ground and going up and down and over roots, and all of a sudden here's a boardwalk. I love it.
Well, we made it to the end of the Sweetwater Trail. We're now at Krull Lake, and I read online that they were draining Krull Lake. And so if I back up over here, you can see quite interestingly that indeed it is drained. I've never seen this lake drained before, but it's quite an interesting sight to see this lake that so many people in the Milton area come and enjoy swimming is now empty for maintenance.
So here's what we've done so far. We started out, this is Bear Lake, which is where we started out. We're parked over here. And we hiked all the way across. This is the Sweetwater Trail. And we're right here now down at Krull Lake. We're gonna now head back. We're gonna eat some lunch. And then we're gonna hike all the way around Bear Lake.
Well, we're on our way back now to Bear Lake. This has been a great day so far.
Yeah.
It's a lot colder than we thought it was going to be, but it's good, it's comfortable. And listen, whenever you're hiking in Florida, this is the time to come hiking, because when it's nice and cool and everything, you come out here in the summertime, it's a whole different story.
Yep, get eaten alive by all the bugs and mosquitoes.
That's right. You know, we haven't really had any gnats or mosquitoes to deal with, and so we're just enjoying the trail, and it's been beautiful, and we've been surprised at how beautiful it is. And we planned on doing this trail, just going out and back didn't think it would take that long, and we were going to go back to my Jeep, get something to eat, and then go on the next trail. And we've been on this trail a lot longer than we thought. So we're trying to make our way back so that we can go get something to eat. So it's been fun, and so we're getting close. And this beautiful, I mean, just what a great day. Just looking around, all this beautiful forestry that we're in. I mean, this is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, well here we are. We're back at the trailhead at the Sweetwater Trail. And as you can see, this is where it meets up with the Bear Lake Loop Trail. You know, we thought we were gonna have time to do both of these trails today. And Strava says that we went almost 4 miles. So it's just a short little trail, but we were out there this whole time. And as you can see, we're starting to run out of sunlight. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day, and we'll make another video of the Bear Lake Loop Trail. But we are glad that you joined us on another one of Troy and Andrea's little adventures.